Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. The central government has approved the construction of a new greenfield airport at an estimated cost of 1,560 crore rupees in which state? Rajasthan. Which state cabinet has approved the uniform fee of 100 rupees for all pre-recruitment exams? Bihar. India Exim Bank recently signed a $40 million credit line agreement with which financial institution? Ecowas Bank, EBID. Which is the first public sector bank in India to migrate its website to the new .in domain as per RBI guidelines? Punjab National Bank. Bank of Maharashtra and SBI Card recently launched a co-brand credit card on which payment platform? RuPay and Visa. Which small finance bank has launched UPI services for NRE/NRO account holders with international mobile numbers? Which Indian mountaineer from Arunachal Pradesh scaled Mount Elbrus, the highest peak in Europe? Kabakyano. The government has approved the purchase of 97 LCA Tejas Mark 1 of fighter jets. What is the cost of this deal? 62,000 crore rupees. Which paramilitary force signed an MoU with IIT Manipur to promote drone technology? Assam Rifles. IIT Madras signed an agreement with which company to set up a smart center for logistics in Chennai? FedEx. Which satellite internet company has partnered with UIDAI for Aadhaar-based customer verification? Starlink. Which company has become the first in India to get ISCC CORSIA certification for sustainable aviation fuel? Indian Oil. Iga Swiatek defeated whom to win the Cincinnati Open 2025? Jasmine Paolini. In Cincinnati Open 2025 final, which player retired due to health reasons against Carlos Alcaraz? Jannik Sinner. Veteran actor Achyut Potdar, who recently passed away, was famous for his role in which movie? Three Idiots. British actor Terence Stamp, who recently passed away, played which character in Superman? Zor. On which date is World Photography Day observed? 19th August. International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism is observed on 21st August. Who is the author of Commanded by Destiny, A General's Rise from Soldier to Statesman? General S. M. Srinagesh. Who is the author of The Great Epinal Escape, Indian Prisoners of War in German Hands? B. Bowman. Which state has been declared the first fully digitally literate state in India? Kerala. Who is the Chief Minister of Kerala who declared it digitally literate? Pinarayi Vijayan. Which state government launched the Shramashri scheme for returning migrant workers? West Bengal. Who is the Chief Minister of West Bengal who launched the Shramashri scheme? Mamata Banerjee. NCERT has included which operation in its syllabus under the title Operation Sindoor? Operation Sindoor. On which government cloud platform does India Post's IT 2.0 operate? Meghraj. Which telecom company provides nationwide connectivity for India Post IT 2.0? BSNL. What is the 10-digit alphanumeric code system for accurate postal delivery in India called? DIGI-PIN. The group of ministers, GOEM, chaired by which state's Deputy Chief Minister, accepted the centre's proposal to recommend scrapping the 12% and 28% GST slabs? Bihar. As per the GST reform proposal, the current 4-rate structure, 5%, 12%, 18%, 28%, will be replaced by how many slabs? 3. Under the new GST structure, what percentage rate will apply to luxury goods such as tobacco, gutkha, and luxury cars? 40%. Which type of policies are proposed to be exempted from GST under the new recommendations? Both health and life insurance. How many core industries are included in India's core sector? 8. Who releases the data of India's core sector growth? The Ministry of Commerce and Industry, BIT. Who releases the overall IIP data in India? NSO. Which organization is responsible for releasing India's GDP and CPI data? NSO. According to Nomura, India's GDP growth rate forecast for FY 2025 to 26 is what percent? 6. 6.20%. According to RBI, what is India's projected GDP growth rate for FY 2025 to 26? 6.50%. Where has the State Bank of India, SBI, set up a Center of Excellence for MSMEs, micro, small, medium enterprises? Gurugram. Which authority fined Rapido 1 lakh rupees for misleading advertisements under unfair trade practices? CCPA. Iran conducted its first large-scale missile and naval drill after the June 2025 conflict with Israel. What was the name of this exercise? Sustainable Power 1404. Recently, Iran and Russia conducted a joint military exercise in the Caspian Sea. What was its name? Kasarex 24. Which country launched the Nusuk Umrah digital service to allow foreign Muslims to apply online for Umrah visas without intermediaries? Saudi Arabia. What is the purpose of the Nusuk Umrah platform launched by Saudi Arabia? Apply Umrah visa. Instamal, India's newly commissioned stealth frigate from Russia, visited which country's Sauda Bay naval base on its return journey? Italy. What is the name of the Greek Navy ship that recently visited Mumbai, India? HS Pasara. What is the bilateral defense exercise between India and Greece called? PASEX. India secured which rank in its debut appearance at the International Olympiad in Artificial Intelligence, AI Olympiad, 2025 held in Beijing, China? Third. Which two countries secured the top two positions in the AI Olympiad 2025, ahead of India? Russia and Poland. On which date is the International Day commemorating the victims of acts of violence based on religion and belief observed? 22nd August. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis.